Estoy trayendo para caminar haciendo ejercicio con Gina Lucy. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás? ¿No quieres? Oh, se está arreglando el pelo. Ay, qué chulería. Mira, les voy a enseñar dónde estamos, mira. Nature's Trail. You ready? Oye, pero qué exageración, no está tan frío. Está bien bonito. It's very difficult for me to say nature. Nature's. Oh my goodness. Estamos aquí en Salishan. Es un trail bien bonito. It's a beautiful trail. It's the golf course right here. And that's the Siletz. That's the Siletz Bay right there. That's the river coming out. Look how beautiful it is. Oh yeah. Mira, 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 mira. Está riquísimo. I just have a shirt with a little shirt under. And look at her, she's all frozen cold. Oh my goodness. Por ahí vamos. Les voy a enseñar qué bonito está. It's a beautiful trail. No, es una bomba de agua. Wow. It's gorgeous. Nature's Trail in the Salishan golf course right here. You can go around. I love it here. Beautiful. I got Gina Lucy, she's cold. A little bit of walk, she's gonna be fine. Oh no, that's a rhododendron, a red one. That's a beautiful one. Okay. Oh. You feel better? ¿Te sientes ya mejor? ¿O todavía está frío?
Un poquito todavía.
Oh, yeah, she's getting better.
Nomás ya me caliento.
Yeah. Look at the trees right here. Beautiful. Look at the bay. Let's keep going, guys. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She already found where to sit down. Oh. Look at how beautiful it is. Beautiful. Come on, let's go. Vamos. Let me show you the trail. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Salishan, Oregon. That's where we're going. We're gonna go that way to the beach. Look how beautiful. Tiene frío, mira.
Aquí ya no hay frío.
Beautiful. Let's keep going. Vamos. Vamos a seguir. Oh, yeah. Well, if you want to find a place beautiful in the morning to go for a walk to the beach, this trail is actually beautiful, flat, well maintained. I love it here. It can be busy in the summertime. A lot of people playing golf. Anyway. Oh yeah. Finally I can walk. Uh-oh. Somebody's hitting that ball really hard. Somebody's teeing off. Oh yeah. Vamos. Oh yeah. Huh? Salishan Clubhouse, huh? Oh yeah. There you go. That's the Salishan spit. That's all the houses all the way to the Salishan River. Wow. Oh. ¿Tienes frío?
Frío.
Vámonos si tienes frío. No, está bien. Mira qué bonito donde se puede caminar, ¿viste? Oh yeah. This is like getting up on a ladder. Woo! Yeah. Vamos de regreso. We are going back. Beautiful here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We just went for a walk, so we got hungry. So we are going right here to the Pine in Lincoln City, to the food trucks. Ya nos vamos. Mira la guagua, comida puertorriqueña, vámonos. No, ya vamos. We are ready to go. Well, guys, it's time to go home. After a few beers, time to go home. Oh yeah. ¿Estoy sudando? Hey, qué payasería.